What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm David Mazzei, you're watching Mazzei Formula. This is my 4-rotor RX-7 right here, and today I'm going to be experimenting with the traction control on the Haltech Elite 2500. And so here's how I've done it. I've got the ABS sensors in the hubs, right? And we're not using ABS anymore. So what I've done is I've calibrated those sensors into the computer where it's reading them as wheel speed. So you can see the miles per hour on the back wheels, and you can see the miles per hour on the front wheels. And if the back wheels are ever going faster than the front wheels, what does that tell you? It tells you that you're spinning, that you're losing traction, right? So we're going to set that up with a margin of error, which is about 10%. So if the rear wheels exceed the front wheels by 10%, then we're going to start pulling ignition. And not pulling timing, not retarding timing, but actually cutting the ignition as a percentage of engine cycles, sort of like a spark cut, right? So when you pull the paddle, that's what I'm doing. I'm cutting some of the ignition events to unload the dog rings by taking the torque out of the engine momentarily. Same concept, right? And then what we're going to have to do is play with that to make it more aggressive or less aggressive, and we can scale it. So if we have too much slip, it pulls a lot more timing, or sorry, a lot more spark. And if it's not a lot of slip, we don't want to pull a lot of spark because we don't want to upset the engine and throw EGTs through the roof, and we also don't want to nosedive. So we're going to play with the aggression of it and try to dial this thing in and see how it works. And then I've also set up boost by gear so that we can only have wastegate spring in first gear and kind of blend our way up to 14, 15 pounds in 6. Again, I don't like to go over 14, 15 pounds on the street because it's just way too much. But it would be nice to get first and second gear to make less boost than 6th gear, so it's not so dangerous, it's more fun to drive, and then we can use the traction control to keep the car planted and see how it pulls. So this is going to be super cool, man. I can't wait to do it.
is so sick. Can you hear it?
Out here at Magic City Octane, Grant Snyder, haven't seen him in a long time.
What's up?
Pretty packed car show.
It's like doing that.
I like they just spill.
Up here at the summit in Birmingham.
Stop. I hate you. You're just.
What's up, bro? Yeah.
That'd be a good photo.